Hey everyone, ever wondered what happened on a phone call after it ends? In this demo, I'll show you how to build a post-call monitoring system with Telnyx, transcribe the call, generate an AI response, and display everything via a web UI. So the app is a Flask server with a simple dashboard. I enter a phone number here. Note it is masked for privacy, and then I'll click the start call. So just let me do it here. And now I click the start call. I'll receive a phone call here from the number here, and I'm going to speak to it now. Hello, this is Harpreet from the engineering department. Could you please tell me your department and name, please? Thank you. So, Telnyx Call Control triggers an outbound call. The dashboard lights up with the live events, as you can see here. I have answered the call already and spoken to it and hung up. As you can see, it's here. So, what is happening behind the scene? The app has started recording when I answered. After I hang up, Telnyx uploads the recording and sends a webhook. The app downloads it, runs it through the speech-to-text. By the way, no OpenAI key needed, and then generates an AI reply using Telnyx Inference APIs. Here's a transcription now. Hello, this is Harpreet from the engineering department. Could you please tell me your department and name, please? This is what I spoke to it. And in response, AI say there's an AI, it's an AI assistant. He doesn't have a department or personal name, but he's here to help me. So everything that you see here, call control, recording, STT, and AI inference runs on Telnyx. No external AI provider required. The full code is on GitHub. I'll link in the description and show you as well. Uh, it's just available here in Telnyx code-examples, and the code is named Call Whisper Monitoring Python. Go ahead, give it a try, and let us know in the comments if you like it or not. Thank you. Have a nice day.